CRCL Stock Analysis and Price Predictions for Tuesday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this very brief short 1-minute video till the end, find out. Especially looking like at Circle Internet Group stock, I'm honestly looking to just double down on this and buy more. Having done well over 45,000 videos over the last 5 years, I've seen what's working for me and what's not. Like especially here with Circle Internet Group, I got like 3 longs. And it all began when it was very early. I think was it $76? Yeah, $76.98 when I made this video 2 months back. There was decent delivery, and the one thing that I'm hoping I see is the price pulling up and giving me a shift. Without this double break, it's nothing, right? I'm not gonna just sit here and just trying to force stuff, you know what I mean? So that's how CRCL is looking like. And yeah, let me know what is your opinion on that. Now, if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, then just click the first link in the description, and I will continue to keep you updated. So goodbye and enjoy. Cheers.